Morning friends, welcome back. Today we're making cookies. We're going to a Christmas party tomorrow and I have to make 2 dozen cookies, and I decided to make these that my mom makes. They literally melt in your mouth. They're so good. They're super easy to make, so let's get going. The first thing we need is room temperature butter. So last night I forgot to take my butter out of the refrigerator, but that's okay because we can just pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until they're soft but not melted. You don't want them melted or hot. "45 seconds is all I needed to get this nice and soft. Next, we're going to add the sugar. So I just ran out of powdered sugar. We're going to attempt to make some, and we'll find out. I've seen this on the internet, so we're going to see how it turns out. Here we go. So all we have to do is add sugar. Add the sugar and we turn it on. Don't do what I did over here. You don't have to mix it in. I had a little explosion. It actually worked. I didn't think it was going to work as well as it did, but the cookies came out amazing. And I think from now on I'm going to make my own powdered sugar. No matter what batter you're making or dough, you always want to scrape down the bowl because you get other ingredients that may get stuck on the bottom, and if those don't get mixed in, your end product may not turn out as well. I forgot to push record when I added the flour, but you just slowly add the flour and mix until everything is well incorporated. So it's been about 2 hours now, and the dough has rested right here on my counter. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take about 1 ice cream scoop, and we're just going to put it right here on the cookie sheet. And once I have the cookie sheet filled, I'll show you what to do next. So I just want to say I can't take all the credit. My mom is the one who came up with this recipe. She is the master baker and I am just learning from her. Now you want to very loosely cover the cookies, and I'm using this meat tenderizer that has a pretty design on it, and I'm just very gently going to push down to create that design and the cookie shape. I quadrupled this recipe because we are going to a Christmas cookie exchange party. That's why I'm making so many cookies. But the recipe that I will have down below in the description will make 12 assembled cookies. So the recipe says that you have to bake the cookies for 10 to 15 minutes. It took me 17 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven, as long as it's very light golden brown around the edges. Let the cookies cool completely after you take them out of the oven, and turn over half of them. And I am using a European jam. It's a rosehip jam. That's our favorite jam to use on these cookies, but you can use any kind of jam as long as it's not too watery. All that's left to do is assemble. You put a little powdered sugar on top and you're done. I'm not kidding when I say as soon as you take a bite out of these cookies, they crumble and then melt in your mouth. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did here at Gigi's Kitchen Diary. Thank you for spending time with me. I really hope you guys give these a try. They are so good. Let me know if you all try these out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.